Come check this out. This is the Lamborghini Aventador SV. Look at this. This is one of 500. Right there. That's where you'll see it. Flick it over to sport.